So my novel is called Like Matter. Craziness in a family is like matter. It's neither created nor destroyed, but rather redistributed among the family members. When Lester Stain, the borderline personality patriarch of the family, dies, not $1 or debt is found in his name. Although he lived a grand life, his dysfunctional family has many suspicions, including that Phoebe, the matriarch and the divorcing wife, the longest divorce in the history of New Jersey, has killed him and hid the money. Through a combination of boredom and a need for money, Ellis, the middle daughter, and our hero, finds the money and must decide whether to divide the funds or live like her father with secrets and lives, but very wealthy.
I love the beginning of the pitch. It's such a great, it's perfect. And I actually, structurally, the pitch is really sound. We really get a sense of the stakes, the arc, characters involved, and all of that. This is another example for me where this fell into book report category. Yeah. And I really, I feel like there's, I'm sure, a lot of humor in there. Yeah. And probably a lot of voice, but I didn't get that, and I'd love to know what it is, because it sounds like a great premise for a novel.
If I had been more prepared, I would have done that. But, you know.
I kind of forgot to take notes, because I was interested in listening to your pitch.
Oh, well, that's great.
So there you go.
By the way, just for everybody, your pitch is your audition to show us what a beautiful writer you are, how you can sling words together and tell a story and create a character economically. And so many times we get, I'm not saying this about you, but it had a little bit of that book report kind of feeling, like, and then this happened, and that happened. It's like what I did this summer. Whereas, you know, it needs to be the best thing that you have ever written.
That's because I didn't write a pitch. I just wrote the plot. I just took the plot, you know.
And I would also say that you buried your hero.
I know.
3/4 of the way through, like, wait a minute, there's a hero? Who's the hero?
I even added our hero.
So we need to again to follow.
Yeah, I know what's wrong with that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Our judges are back.
All right, people. As always, lots of interesting pitches, great ideas, some really great performances, everything. But we do have a winner. And that winner is Liz Dubelman. Yeah.
No way, she said. Yes way. Stand up, for God's sake.
No.
Are you kidding, she says. We're not kidding.
Yeah. Yeah. So really, really terrific story, character. You really got us all wanting to know what happens in this novel. So terrific job. Congratulations.